Hello, everyone. Welcome back to And That Hit Me podcast. Thank you so much for being here. And for today's episode, I want to talk about something that sounds simple, but honestly, it challenged the way I see myself. So, ang title natin for today's episode is Giving Yourself Grace. Ang ganda pakinggan. Parang ang dali sabihin. Pero napansin niyo ba how easy it is to be kind to other people? So, for example, when a friend makes a mistake, we tell them, ito usually sinasabi, it's okay, that's okay, you're doing your best. Friend, don't be hard on yourself. We actually remind them that one mistake doesn't define them. We encourage them to keep going. But when it comes to ourselves, sometimes we are a completely different person. Para bang hindi natin masabi yung mga bagay na to sa atin. We tend to replay our mistakes. We focus on what we should have done. We dwell on what we could have done better. We become our own harshest critic, right? And I was giving grace to everyone except myself. And that really made me stop and think. So, just want to share last year when I joined this program during one of the sessions, my coach said something so simple. He said, "Kampihan mo naman yung sarili mo." And I was like, that hit me so hard because he was right. Naluha pa nga ako nung sinabi ko yun. Naluha pa nga ako nung narinig ko yun. Talagang nag-hit talaga sa akin yung sentence na yun. I realized I was constantly encouraging other people, believing in them, giving them grace when they fell short, reminding them that it's okay to be a work in progress, right? But when it came to me, I was focusing on what I hadn't accomplished, what I should have done better, what I was still struggling with. Ang dali kasi ayun nga, I was extending compassion to everyone else except myself. And hearing those words made me ask myself, why am I not on my own side? Why am I speaking to myself in ways I would never speak to someone I love? That simple sentence, kampihan mo naman yung sarili mo, really stayed with me. Because maybe being on your own side doesn't mean making excuses. Maybe it means choosing compassion over constant criticism. So, for a long time, I thought giving myself grace meant lowering my standards. So, like I was letting myself off the hook, like I wasn't taking responsibility. But I realized, hindi ganun yung grace. So, grace isn't pretending mistakes don't matter. Grace isn't avoiding accountability. But grace is acknowledging that we are human. Tao tang tayo. Grace is allowing yourself to learn without condemning yourself. Isa din sa pinaka-importante is grace is understanding that growth takes time. And if we are honest, most of us are learning as we go. Sabi ko nga sa last episode ko, none of us have everything figured out. We are all navigating life for the first time. We are all facing situations we've never faced before. The question is, why do we expect perfection from ourselves? So yan, isa pa sa nabanggit ko last time, habang tumatanda, I realized that some of my greatest lessons came from uncertainty or the seasons that didn't go according to plan. Seasons when I felt, uncertain, when I made mistakes, when I questioned myself. So at the time, nakikita ko siya as failures. But looking back, I can see that those seasons shaped me. And they taught me things I couldn't have learned any other way. And somehow God was still working through all of it, as in all of it, even when I couldn't see it. Parang kanta yun. Even when I felt stuck, even when I felt disappointed in myself. So, isa sa mga nare-reflect ko, if God extends grace to me every day, why it is so hard for me to extend grace to myself? That doesn't mean we stop growing. That doesn't mean we stop improving. It doesn't mean we stop taking responsibility of our choices. It simply means we stop treating ourselves as though we're only worthy when we get everything right. Kapag worthy lang tayo kapag nagagawa natin yung tama, right? Because the truth is, none of us get everything right. We are all learning, we are all growing, we are all becoming. And maybe that's exactly how it's supposed to be. The realization that hit me was this: I can acknowledge where I need to grow without constantly tearing myself down. I can learn from my mistakes without defining myself by them. I can be work in progress and still be worthy of grace. And maybe you can too. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me for today's episode of And That Hit Me podcast. Until next time, take care and yeah, keep growing. And remember, kampihan mo naman ang sarili mo. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.